What if the place you trusted to build your future vanished in a single moment? In a thriving town, the heartbeat of life was the great market. People from all walks of life gathered there every day to trade, buy, and sell. The market wasn't just a place of business. It was where fortunes were made, dreams were built, and lives were changed. The market was run by the overseers, a powerful group that managed its operations. "We ensure the safety of your trades," they said. "In return, we charge a small fee." Over time, the fees grew larger, and the overseers became richer, but the people kept trading. After all, the market was essential. There was no other way. Then one morning, disaster struck. The great market was gone. Its grand gates were locked, the stalls stood empty, and the overseers had vanished without warning. The townspeople were left in chaos. Their goods were trapped inside, their wealth frozen, and their futures uncertain. Panic spread like wildfire. "What will we do without the market?" they cried. "How will we trade? How will we survive?" Among the chaos, a traveler arrived, carrying a strange device that glowed softly. "You don't need the market," he said. "I have a new way." The townspeople were skeptical. What could possibly replace the great market? "It's the only way we've ever known." The traveler held up the device. "This is a decentralized market. It's not a place, and it's not controlled by overseers. It's a network where anyone can trade, anytime, anywhere, without permission or fees." The people shook their heads. "But how can we trust it? How can we know it will be fair?" The traveler smiled. "This market is built on transparency. Every trade is recorded, every transaction is verified, and no one, not even me, can manipulate it. It's called Bitcoin." Curious but cautious, a young merchant named Sierra decided to try it. She used the device to trade her goods directly with a farmer from a distant village. To her surprise, the trade was fast, secure, and free of any interference. Word spread quickly. More townspeople began using the decentralized market, realizing they no longer needed the overseers or the great market. They could trade freely, fairly, and securely, without relying on anyone but themselves. The great market remained closed, its gates rusting in silence. The townspeople no longer cared. They had found a better way, a system that couldn't vanish overnight, because it belonged to them all. The great market is the centralized system, fragile and prone to collapse. The decentralized market is Bitcoin, a network that empowers everyone. The question is, will you keep trading in a system that can vanish, or will you build your future on a network you control?